Hey guys, I'm Ganesh and you're watching Gadget Creator. So in this episode, we have the Redmi Note 4 with us and let's go to the about settings and you have a surprise here. Let's go to system update and yeah, we have the MIUI 9.5.8 stable ROM. In the previous video, we had 9.5.4 and it had a lot of bugs. Let's see what's new in this. So they have fixed all those bugs. There have been a lot of bug fixes and all those new features which were in 9.5.4 are also available in this version. So if you want to see that video, you can click here. There is a link for that video and let's just go into it and let's just see what all features were there and what all features are now. So first up, let's go to the home screen, and in the home screen itself, if I swipe down, I get the notification, and if I swipe up, I'll get the search. So that is a cool feature. So just swiping down, I'll get the notification, and swiping up, I'll get the Google search. So I like that. So that is a quick search. So you can swipe up from the home screen and you can get to the quick search. So that is one. Then in the MI mover, they have improved the MI mover with resume and pause, things like that. So MI mover has that function. So next feature is in screen recorder. You can go to the settings of screen recorder and there you can see sound source. You can either choose the mic or the speaker so that recorded voices, like either you want to record a voice while the screen recording is being done or the sounds from your phone, like while playing games or things like that. So it's a really good feature which they have built in. And the next one is you can transfer apps using MI Mover. So using the MI Mover app, you can transfer all the apps to your new phone. I've transferred all the apps from my Redmi Note 4 to my Redmi Note 5. So this is my Redmi Note 5. I've transferred all the apps to Redmi Note 5 using this MI Mover and it runs pretty well, except for those which need verification like WhatsApp and other apps. So that's the other one. Next, they have introduced the browser. They have modified the browser. So currently, let's just give, the browser, they have updated the browser and they have introduced menus and stuff like that. So that's what they have done to the browser. And they have also put in a cleaner inside that. That is, if you take file manager, let's just take, there is something for a cleaner. There's a clean button here. If you can directly take the cleaner from the file manager, and that's one more feature. You can favorite photos as I had already shown you in the previous video, and yeah, that's all. That's mainly the most updates of the main updates, and the main updates are bug fixes. And the biggest update of them all is battery performance. Yes, battery performance has been increased. It's really good right now. It's good. I'm not sure how it will perform. I'll have to use it and I'll tell you. So, but currently the battery performance is good, and I had already bought actually MI because of its battery, and now it is going good. So as you can see, for the past this much minutes, it's almost on the same line. So it's really good. The battery performance has improved. And also, let us know what all issues you feel from this update. We have put the link to update in the description below. You can find that and then go to your settings, go to your phone and download it, and then click system update and click on the three dots and click download, not download package, choose update package, and you can choose it from your file manager. So then after that you can update it to the new version of 9.5.8. and if you find any bugs, do put it in the comments below. We'll be sure to mail MI as before. Also, after your video, after all the comments, we had informed MI and they have come up with really good fixes for all the bugs. So please test it out and please do tell us. I hope that you have liked this video. If you have, please leave a like and also share with your friends and subscribe to Gadget Craft for more such videos. So until next time, bye bye. For more such videos, subscribe to Gadget Kada, press the subscribe button and then press the bell icon to get all our notifications.